welcome or welcome back to our channel. This is a day in the life vlog. Hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? It used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong. Maybe now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday. I am heading to work. You saw in the beginning that beginning of my title what today's video is about. It's a get ready with me video. A day in my life at work. How I get ready for work, usually when I'm in a hurry, like I was today. But anyway, I will catch back up with you guys as soon as I get to work. Hey y'all, I am at work. I have made it to work, and it is cold. It is so cold. I think it's like 30 something degrees, but it's cold. And I'm drinking on my little shake you saw me make this morning. It's a banana smoothie, and I just put one thing of banana in there and some strawberries in there. I'm trying to find my cup thing. Here we go. My little top to go to it. But yeah, I have made it to work, and this is basically what I do on a typical day when I'm in a hurry for work. And this morning I was definitely in a hurry. because I didn't get up in time enough to film like I really wanted to. So I just did bits and pieces of what I normally do when I'm going to work. And I do not wear a whole lot of makeup to work. I don't put my lashes on. I mean, every blue moon I might throw some lashes on, but 9 times out of 10 I do not put no lashes on just to go to work for what I do. So you saw me when I put I drew my little eyebrows on. I have to do my filling on my eyebrows because my eyebrows are they're so thin. And so I have to fill in my eyebrows. And I did the rest of it off camera, like my mascara. I did the rest of that off camera. And I comb my hair. I normally wear my hair like this to work if I don't have any braids in, or if I don't have a wig on or something like that, or a sew in. So yeah. But I got to find me my lip chap, because maybe it's in my pocket. Yeah, my lips are dry. Y'all tell me how the weather is where y'all stay at, because I know it is cold this morning. Very cold. But I got my water, as y'all saw me drinking my water. I got another bottle of water here because I'm low on this water. As you can tell, I love to drink water. And y'all gotta get this. This smells so good. I got it from Dollar General. Y'all, I'll be about to drown myself in this because it smells so good. Woo! My gosh. But anyway, oh, let me see. What time is it here? It's 7:24. I'm going to leave about in a few minutes. Just checking some of my stuff on my phone here. But let's see. But anyway, y'all, I am just rambling now, but as you can see, there's not much to it when I get myself ready for work in the morning on a rush day. So today was very a rush day for me because I didn't allow myself plenty enough time to get up to film. But anyway, I am going to go and I will check back with you all. Gotta get my mask. I'm going to go, but I will check back with you all this evening after I get off of work. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just got off of work and I am about to run to the grocery store to pick up some hamburger meat to cook for supper tonight. I guess we're gonna have spaghetti tonight, and I'm probably gonna get some onions and some green peppers or something like that to chop up in there, to chop in meat. So because I am ready to get to the house. I'm tired, but I will, if I don't vlog, you know, in the grocery store, I will see you guys definitely when I get home. All right, I'm in the kitchen now, fixing to cook some spaghettis. I'm gonna add some green pepper and onions to it.
get so dizzy thinking of you. I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Yeah, get like it.
All right, I got my meat cooking. I had to do 2 separate meats because this is gonna have the green pepper and the onions in this one, and this one is not gonna have it because one of my daughters don't want no green pepper and onions in hers. So, and I already got some onions right here. Focus. All right. So we just gonna use these onions here instead of, I won't have to chop any up. And I'm just gonna put some in there, just like that. Also, I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. I'm gonna get some, my all-time favorite, garlic powder. And let's see, I think that's it for right now. Well, yeah, we can get some Lowry seasoning on there too. And now it's time to add the green pepper. And this just going to saute it. Once you get the cooking real good, saute the green peppers and the onions. Just mix it all up. Just like this. Stir this meat up like that. And when this gets done, I will be back.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast, before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
And here is the final results of the spaghetti. And if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We would love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.